All right, cybersecurity folks. Going to update the Unit 2 cheat sheet since we've now finished 2.2.3 to fix forceful browsing vulnerability. What we did was we opened up our server manager. We went to Tools and IIS Manager, and then we worked our way down to the default site settings or default website, and then we found directory browsing. Finally, we disabled it. Right? So log file is pretty similar. We got to the same place, except then we went to logging. So kind of copy paste this up to here. Right? And then we went to logging, and we moved the place of the file where logs were stored to a file in C drive, aka not in inetpub anymore. Okay, so we don't want the log files to be where they used to be. So that was something we did. And then on your own, you're supposed to do the FTP vulnerability. So that last one you did was on when we exploited FTP services using FileZilla from our other computer. To fix that, you open Server Manager, but instead of going to Tools, you go to Manage and remove roles and features. You got to find the IIS web server roles and uncheck and remove FTP service. It's a wizard, whatever, where you're just kind of hitting next on a bunch of stuff, but make sure at the end you check the restart box so it actually removes the thing and restarts your servers new, so now it doesn't have the FTP service running anymore. You can verify that by trying this exploit again, by trying to send something by FileZilla. And you can show that it doesn't work. In the new project, you're going to find out if SMTP services are on, which is mail services. Right, and then loose-lipped error messages, you're also going to fix that during the project. So that's when it just gives you too much info when you do an error, and it could be used against you. So you'll take care of that. So make sure you update your cheat sheet with all these fixes because you're going to be doing that in your project.